This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Nachos Dreamlight Valley. Preheat oven to 375 degrees F and line a baking sheet with foil. Spread a single even layer of tortilla chips, then sprinkle a generous layer of shredded cheese for full coverage. Add cooked protein like seasoned beef or chicken in small clusters to balance every bite. Reserve delicate toppings for after baking, and keep sauce on the side to prevent soggy chips. Start with a chip layer that overlaps slightly to catch melty cheese and toppings. Sprinkle cheese generously between chip layers so each chip gets coverage without overloading. Distribute protein in small clusters to ensure every bite has meat and cheese together. Put firmer toppings like peppers and onions before baking, and save cilantro, avocado, and sour cream until after baking for freshness and texture contrast that keeps the nachos. Place the tray in the preheated oven and bake 6 to 8 minutes until cheese is bubbling and chip edges brown slightly. Watch closely to prevent burning, as thin chips can go from perfect to crispy fast. Once out, top with fresh ingredients like salsa, sliced jalapenos, and cilantro to brighten flavors. Let cool a minute, then serve with sides like guacamole and sour cream so guests can customize each bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.